Hey, today we're going to go over how to draw Boba Fett's helmet from, the book of Boba Fett from Disney Plus. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners. It's going to be step by step, so follow along with me. It should be simple, and it's going to be about an 8-minute video, okay? So in 8 minutes, you will have a brand new skill, so stick all the way to the very end of the video for kind of the full effect of that. That's pretty much it. Let's jump in and start drawing. One thing, though, I will say is before you start, hit the subscribe button if you love Star Wars, if you love learning how to draw Star Wars or any of your favorite characters from anything. I'm gonna do a lot of stuff on here, and that is pretty much the end of it. Okay, thank you so much, and let's get started. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here at this side, and I'm going to pull a line over here for kind of the bottom left hand side of his helmet. It's like a box that he has on the side. Alrighty, doing good. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to pull up all the way. Keep pulling up. Curved line over here. For the most part, the curved line is going to be, relatively simple to follow, but we're going to go over here. Curve for the top of that helmet, and pull down here. Angle downward. Go back here, angle down this way. And we're going to have the main portion of the center right here, over here. And I'm going to start maybe around this area. He's going to have like a bar going down, right? So this goes straight down here. Over here on this side, we're going to go straight down here. And now it's going to flare outward. So this one's going to go out that direction. Out here. Go straight across here to curve. And I'm going to draw a line across here, the top, just across the entire top here. So, curving a line in. So I'm going to curve over here. It's going to start big, curve, and it's going to go down to small. Go here on this side, curve, and it's going to go down to small. Going to go right here at the top, line here, line here. It's going to look like a play button on this side, so it's a triangle that direction. I'm going to fill that in. And kind of a backwards triangle that way. Basically the same one, but just backwards. Alright. I'm going to go here to the side, add a... Well, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a... he's got that little flag thingy, I forget what it's for. So straight line up. It's like a little stick. Curve in here. Curve up. He has this little contraption over here. I forget to like guide his missile. So that's going to be up at an angle. Out a bit. Triangle here. Down. And we're going to pull back. That itself has its own little angles. We can pull a line across here. And across here. Line out. Cross down. Line over here. Line over here. Down. In. Out over here. Down. And up over here. So over these little, just kind of these box layers over here. Let's pull a line across this section here. I'm going to pull another curved line on the end here. It's thinner though. I'm going to make that line thinner. See that? Go over here, do the exact same thing. And then I'm going to pull another line out here, down for that outer edge. So let's fill in the dark parts. If you have a black marker or anything like that, I'm going to fill in most of this except for maybe a line here for the shine. And that's kind of it. I'm going to fill in the rest. Here. All right, keep going. Pull out over here. Right on. And that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much. You've been amazing. Ooh, one other thing. I'm going to throw a couple little bars here. There's a design here. So let's say a triangle, another triangle, and another one. That's all you'll see. But that's pretty much it. What I want you to do is stick around. I'm going to color it, but I'm going to fast forward the coloring section of it so you don't, get bored to death by it. And that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much. If you did enjoy this video, hit that like, and don't forget to hit the share. Share it with somebody that you think might enjoy it, who enjoys Star Wars or Boba Fett or anything like that. That is pretty much it. Stick around for the coloring, and we're going to jump into that coloring right now.